So talk and think about, hey, my name is Owen Fox and welcome to the beautiful sunny day in Ireland. May. Beautiful, so nice. Thanks for joining me. My name is Owen Fox, so please sit back and enjoy this video. So, to be as happy as we can and to create our vibrational well-being right now, our frequency. And there's so many videos out there talking about this, that and the other, but this is what it really cracks down to. It's our mind. It's about tuning in and taking power of our own vibration and emotions right now, instead of what happened in the past and instead of what could possibly happen in the future. It's choosing to care, to feel about our emotions and how good we feel. And I'd suggest being as happy as you can. Set the intention today and going forward to want to be as happy as you can. So what you'll have to start doing is drop thinking about the past events going wrong. Everything happens for a reason. Life serves you. It creates who you are and your desires right now. It's a monumental, explosive, inspirational act that forges you to be who you are right now today, and all that you want and desire. It's all breeded from the past. All your experiences of what you don't like and want, they make your desires right now. It's beautiful. So when you experience being cold, you want to be hot. When you experience an unhappy relationship, you're inspired to want a really happy, connected, peaceful relationship, etc. So without those experiences, you'd never be who you are now, and you wouldn't have the intentional force field of wishes and desires that you have bubbling from within your cauldron of what you want to create and experience in the future. So we have to thank our past and be grateful and love and appreciate our past. Me, I want my past, I like my past, I love my past, I'm thankful for my past, I wouldn't want to change my past. Take this, Owen. So when we actually really understand and value our past, we can move forward as a divine, powerful creator being that we are, and create the future that we want and manifest our dreams and desires. So some things that block us tremendously is we have conversations and talk about stuff, and even in our own mind, it's stuff that makes us emotionally unhappy. So my take-home workshop for you is notice yourself when you're thinking about or talking about or telling someone a story of something that makes you feel emotionally bad. So when we tell a story what happened that we didn't like from a particular very optimistic angle, we'd feel good and empowered and happy talking about it. But when we tell it from a victim story perspective and belief, we do feel bad, and it's stressful and angering or upsetting and frustrating to talk about what we don't have that we want, or to talk about what happened that we didn't like or we didn't want. So notice yourself doing this, and stop yourself in the beginning of the story, the sentence, or halfway through, whenever you notice, and start take a moment to take stock of your energy, and then ask yourself, how do you want to feel? So if you want to feel good, then, which you do, we all want to feel good, so then tell the story a different way. Let go of the victim story and start telling it from a more empowered position. So this served me, I'm glad it happened. Like, tune into the feeling of being glad, like feel happy for the experiences, because like I said at the beginning of the video, it creates our desires and it makes us who we are today. So it's really good. We would never expand without our expansive challenges and every single one of our experiences. Everyone and everything is a teacher of the highest order, truly. And we also are teachers also of the highest order. We're vibrational teachers without even trying to be a teacher. Like a teacher. We all are uplifters and teachers and students and learners all the time. And we're always creating also, everybody. So start talking about what you want to happen, that you think might happen or might not happen. Talk about and feeling the energy and the emotions of what it feels like to talk about and imagine getting what you want, or even getting better things than you can imagine. Better. So have those conversations with yourself and with other people. Stop talking about what you don't like or want, not feel good talking about, and start talking about what feels good to talk about. Even tell the same joke or the same story over and over again. Milk things. Like, if someone pays you a compliment, like, if you can pay them a compliment. If your partner says something nice to you, you can say, oh, I love when you say that, thanks so much, and encourage them to say more. And like, just have a game and play with milking a positive experience, even if it was like going to the beach yesterday or having a nice hot drink. talk more than once about how much you enjoyed the beach or the nature or the drink or the massage or the love making or painting or the walk or your dog or your cat. The sunshine, the feeling of happiness and peacefulness and contentment, the feeling of coming where you've come in life, how you enjoy the flowers. Like, talk about this sort of stuff, guys. Keep talking about this in your mind and to other people. Praise and compliment yourself and other people. Milk it. Don't just visit it once, visit it 20 times. Create an abundance of positive good feelings in your life through creating an abundance of talking and focusing and dwelling and thinking and talking and sharing and retelling happy, funny, good, positive stories of enjoyment, satisfaction, fulfillment, fun, laughter, love, connection, intimacy, romance, all the things that you like and love. Like going for a cycle ride, and getting a good sleep, having a good shower, appreciating a waterfall, enjoying a good television program, enjoying and appreciating nature, your loved ones, your family, your social life. Talk about what you want to happen in the future instead of what you think could go wrong. Let go of that and notice yourself thinking and talking about what can go wrong. Start talking and thinking about what can go right and what you want to happen, and even better. Be open and trust the universe and your higher self, your higher mind, to deliver better than you can even imagine. How many times has this happened that you've gotten better than you thought? We cannot imagine everything with a human mind. Our human mind, so be receptive and trusting of the universe to give you more than what you can imagine, okay? And appreciate and give thanks to the past, and then in the now moment go forward, enjoying and appreciating life and having fun. Life is meant to be enjoyed, meant to be like a holiday, a playground of our physical body wrapped inside with a soul. You know what I mean? Have a beautiful day, and if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, share, leave any comments if you desire, and thanks very much, and just tune in again, and I look forward to seeing you again, and hit that bell button for notifications of my future videos. Pleasure talking with you today. Thank you very much. Had a great time. Peace and love.